Yokoso, Kuroto, Shumi.
Welcome back to Crazy Hobbies Down Under. Alrighty guys, Kyosho back in the house, bringing the finest rotor control models since 1963. So, got another unboxing for you, and what's better than an unboxing? A double unboxing. Uh-oh. Alrighty. We have, on the left-hand side, we have the Inferno 1/8 scale GT2 VE electric brushless powered on-road car. These bad boys retail for around $1,000, okay? Everything's included. You will still need your battery and charger. Just on the Demon, the real-life version. Guys, if you see one on the road, just be careful, okay? 850 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles an hour, 2.1 seconds. And the quarter mile at 9.54. Woo! You Tesla fanboys, just be careful, all right? All right, now, we have the 1/10 scale Hellcat Dodge, which is a 1/10 scale electric car, comes ready to go. These retail for around $400. You will still need your battery and charger to complete this as well. So let's quickly unwrap these, show you the difference between the 1/10 scale and the 1/8 scale on-road cars, and give you a comparison, and go from there. Skip. Mate, these American cars are making me hungry. I feel like a bloody hot dog, eh? Rush down to the kebab shop and grab us one, eh? You've always got excuses, always. But it's all right, it's all good. You'll call me, I'll be on the road, you want something from the server, and guess what? I'm gonna say I'm too busy, I'm driving. It's all good, I'll go get one. Let's unwrap the 1/10 scale first, eh? Now, just the color on this one, it's called Crazy Purple Plum.
And now we shall unpack the demon.
Skip! You making funny noises down there? Stop it, I'm filming. Okay, let's unpack the demon. So we've got the 1.8 Inferno Demon. We're just going to quickly go over it. So just regarding the car, guys, the 1.8 scale, they're usually easier to drive, okay? And they're a lot more easier to work on. Just the fact of the size, everything's more spaced out and you can get the things a lot easier. All right, a lot more easier to drive. Now, just regarding parts and bodies and accessories with the 1.8 scale, you're a little bit more limited compared to the 1.10 scale stuff. All right, and we'll show you in a sec. Now, 1.8 scale on-road car, how long is it, guys? From here to here, it's 48 centimeters long, all right? So if you wanna know at home, quickly go over the car. You have an aluminum chassis, which is pretty cool, nice and strong. All right, aluminum shocks, okay? You do get aluminum CVDs at the front, so you won't break them anytime soon. Just regarding your servo and your receiver, servo's a 9 kilo metal geared. Receiver is in here, it's 2.4 gigahertz, no glitching, no rate interference. All right, now your motor and your ESC. Your motor is a 2000 kV, 1.8 scale, okay? 5mm shaft. ESC is only 4S compatible, guys. All right, so a maximum of 14.8 volt. You will have aluminum dog bones on the rear, okay? Now the car is full ball bearing raced, which is cool. And just the battery compartment, it's 14 centimeters long. Comes with Dean's connectors, so you can take this off, okay? So run the one 4S pack, or you whack that in there if you've got two 2S packs. That's awesome. Guys, make sure that they're identical, okay? And then you will have your wheels, okay? These look really nice. 17mm hex, 17mm hub. You can run 1.8 buggy on-road tires because they're 17mm, but you got to make sure that they're low profile. Now, let's just show you a few different things, upgrades and so on. So just your radio, it will come with a pistol grip radio, has an LCD screen there, and it will take 4 AA's. Okay, so it's nice and light. That's that. They will give you basic tools, 17mm hex, take off your wheels, cross wrench, and your basic Allen keys to work on the car. Okay, and they're all metric. Now, just regarding wheels, tires, and so on, guys, this is only 4S compatible, but your motor is 6S compatible, okay? So, if you wanna make it go super fast, you can. All you gotta do is change this. And what we'd recommend is grabbing one of these bad boys. And it's the Hobbywing, Easy Run, Max 8, 150 amp, 1.8 scale, brushless ESC. It's 6S compatible, which is maximum of 22.2 volt. You will get your programming card, which is included. All right, now you whack that in here, you can run 6S, and that's compatible to run 6S. And this car will absolutely hoot. All right, and these will set you back roughly anywhere between 150 to 200 bucks. I'd highly recommend getting Hobbywing because the system in here is a Hobbywing. Guys, when you're running electronics, you always want to stick to the same brand electronics, okay? So if you've got a Hobbywing motor, get a Hobbywing ESC. If you've got a Castle Creation ESC, run a Castle motor. It's much better, smoother, and yeah, it will just be a lot better, all right? So always run the same brand electronics. Always try to get combo. So that's that. Now, regarding your wheels, I'd recommend getting these Armour D boots, part number ARA 550062, and for a pair, they're about 70 bucks. Guys, these are awesome. These are belted. These will fit on there really nicely, okay? And your body will still be able to go on there. That's about it, guys. Let's go down to the 110 scale. Alrighty, so the 110 FAZER from Kyosho. Now the 110 scale, guys, wheels, tires, bodies, accessories, a lot more available, all right? Because it's more of a common size. Now, guys at home, 110 scale, new to RC, thinking, oh, you know, what's 110 scale? The length from here to here, okay, just the frame, it's 37 centimeters long, okay? And that's how long they are. So let's get started on the car. So you'll have your front shocks there. They're not adjustable, but you will be able, they will give you these plastic spaces, okay? And you can take them out and you can insert them in. And when you insert them in, what it does is it pushes the shock down, giving it a firmer ride, or you take them out and become softer. All right, that's that. You will get plastic drive shafts. Alrighty. Your servo, which is just there, and it's plastic geared, waterproof, and it's about 3.5 kilos. Now, they've shut everything off here. They just enclosed it. Your receiver, it's in there, and your ESC. The receiver's 2.4 gigahertz, no glitching, no radio interference. And your ESC is here. Now, with your electronic speed controller, guys, it's a 60 amp. It's waterproof, okay? It can run up to 7.2 to 8.4 volts. All right, it can run LiPo, nickel metal hydride. It will come with a Dean's plug on the ESC, on-off button. Your motor is a 550 size, so a little bit bigger than a 540, so a little bit stronger, and it's a 14 turn. That's that. All-wheel drive. Okay, you got your drive shaft here. Now let's come to the battery tray. Now you will still need your battery and charger, guys. All right, so you've got heaps of room in here. This foam pad comes out. And the battery and charger that would recommend, guys, you're better off, all right, good old Gen's Ace. Yeah. All right, what you're better off doing is getting the 8.4 volt, all right? 5,000, 8.4 volt. These bad boys were retailed for around $70. Guys, don't want to talk too much smack, but all I'm going to say is when Gen's Ace say it's a 5,000 milliamp battery, that's true. All right, so you're going to get 5,000 milliamps, so good runtime. All right, so you pay a little bit extra, but when they say it's 5,000, I guarantee you it's 5,000. Now, this is the 8.4 volt. All right, guys, 8.4 volts. So it's got that extra cell here. All right, and that once you take that foam pad out, that will fit straight in. Let's dig this out if we can quickly. Jeez Louise, that took me a while. All right, so 8.4 volt straight in. Now with the 8.4 volt, it's going to give you a little bit more power. All right, anyone under 10, guys, get this battery. Okay, it's the Gen's Ace, and it's most importantly, it's the NIMH. So anyone that's under 10, guys, or mums and dads, if they're watching, get them an NIMH battery, all right? And just quickly, without boring you guys too much, with the NIMH batteries, they're a lot safer, okay? Don't have to worry about draining too far down. You can leave them charged. They're a lot more forgiving. So mums and dads, if you're watching and you want to grab this car, get them at NIMH and grab this battery. With the 8.4 volt, it will give you more power compared to the 7.2 volt, all right? The Gen's Ace will come with a Dean's connector ready to go, and kabushka on, all right? Simple as that. With your charger, guys, EV Peak, we've been selling these things for a long time, all right? They retail for around $50. Great charger, and this is the EN3, fast charger. Home socket, so it just plugs into your wall. The good thing about these chargers is that you just whack them on. You don't have to push any buttons. Wait, lights are red while it's charging. As soon as it goes green, you're done, okay? Now, this will come from a Tamiya plug. You'll need to get your hobby shop to change it over to the Dean's connector, all right? So if you request that, I'm pretty sure there won't be any troubles. So that's the charger there, and that's the NIMH battery. All right, that's what you'll need. Now, regarding LiPo for the car, any 7.4 volt LiPo as well will fit in there because it's nice and long, so it doesn't matter if it's square pack or, you know, a round pack, it's gonna fit in there really nice. And you've also got the EV peak charger as well. These are at 50 bucks. These will charge 2S, 3S, and 4S. Great charger from EV Peak as well. This is called the E3. All right, you know, you can charge one at a time. You just plug your balance in there and then wait for these lights to go to 100 and you're done. No buttons, no nothing, just plug and yeah, wait. Regarding electronics and upgrades and that sort of stuff, just your controller. Just quickly show you this pistol grip controller that will come with. It's all adjustable. You can also turn the speed up and down, which is cool. All right, now, just the accessories they'll give you. Now, it's pretty cool. Guys, they'll give you these calipers, right? Just on the car, it's a 12mm hex, the wheel, all right? And these calipers are 190mm, the ones that come with it. Now, let's just say you want a 200mm body. These calipers, all right, they're an offset. So once you put these on, it pumps the wheels out to accommodate your 200mm body, all right? So that's really, really cool. 190 or 200, depending on, you know, what body it is. They give you a few plastic spares. They'll give you a wrench for your turnbuckle, which is cool. It looks like the Huddy one, full adjustable. Basic Allen keys. So that's pretty cool, that pack, that's included. Now, you buy the car, it's not fast enough for you. It's very simple. Would recommend getting these electronics. Now, this is from Hobbywing. We'll put the part number on the screen for you. It's about 150 bucks, 4,000 kV. This can run up to 7.4 volt or 11.1 volt. And this is the combo. This includes your motor, your programming card, okay, Hobbywing, and your electronic speed controller, which is in here, okay? And it's all plug and play. There's nothing, you don't have to solder anything. This combo is great. You whack this in there, whack a nice 11.1 volt in there, you're gonna be doing 80 kilometers an hour. So great combo for the price. It'll bolt straight in, plug and play. And you also got your Castle Creation stuff, but yeah, Castle just a little bit hard to get at the moment. Yeah, they're great too. So if you want to upgrade your 110 car, these are the electronics that we recommend. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Also, please subscribe and like. And guys, we want to hear from you what you want to see on the channel. All right, so if you want to see more cars, please, you know, jot down what car you want to see. If you want to see more planes or whatever, tech tips, please let us know. We love you all from down under, and we'll see you next time.